Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Um, if you're not new, you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99, costs you nothing. Zip, zilcho, zilcho. What's that? Zip, zilch, zero. Cost you nothing to hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. So we're outside today. So I live near a airport, so if you hear those going by, if the AC kicks on, I'll probably pause and come back when it goes off. And I have birds. I just wanted y'all to hear the birds in the wind in the background. It's a beautiful morning today. But we're here to talk about how I did in my May challenge and then tell you guys about the June challenge. Hopefully we won't be here too long. All right, so as far as May goes, May's challenge was trying to get 5 days of activity in, workout, walks, whatever, lawn and garden, whatever you were doing. And weeks 1 and 5 you could do 2 to 3 days instead because they were not full weeks. I crushed the workout activity part. Like between setting up this patio you see me sitting in and Zumba and just walks at work and all that and the spraying for weeds, I did that. I was amazing, and I want to shout out to all my people who are doing with me. I saw your comments and you are getting to the gym. I don't care if you only did it once or twice. I don't care if you did it 3 times, like as long as you got your body moving, y'all, because we're all about budgeting and saving our money, but it makes no sense to do all that if we're not going to be here to enjoy it, if our health is failing. And we all know medical bills are like one of the biggest hits to budgets outside of like debt. They're so expensive. So that part was good. No chips, no soda, no candy. Crushed it. I had none of that. However, I will say that I found myself making lots of substitutes to like popcorn or like cookies and cakes. So those were allowed. So I'm not going to beat myself up. I did what I said I was going to do. However, this month I'm going to try to be a little bit more mindful about that as well. And then that was pretty much it that I was tracking for myself. Let me know down in the comments, how did you all do with the challenge? Now let's get into June's challenge. June challenge is called Just Do It June. I feel like we've done a Just Do It June last year as well, but this time I'm trying to be a little bit more specific. So for this challenge, what I put last month, it was like 4 to 5 days of workout. I don't remember, 4 to 5 days, something like that. It was too vague, so I need a specific number. So for June, first thing is, and keep in mind, I'm going to give you the 6 things I'm working on, but you're more than welcome to choose 1 or 2 or just 1 or 3 or how many you want. Whatever fits in your schedule as a person. You know, a lot of you are moms and wives and single period people who are just super busy. And if you can't do all of this, do what you can. That's where we're at with this, okay? So let's start on what we're doing. So the first thing is 3 days of activity. We are working with 3 days of activity. You guys, we can totally do 3 days of activity. I think, well, I could do totally 3 days of activity. This is what I'm planning to do, getting 3 days of workout in. And then, number 2, declutter or deep clean 1 thing per week. 1 thing. You just have to do 1 thing per week. So by the end of the month, you'll have 4 things deep cleaned or decluttered. I suggest you schedule time in your calendar for this, because just saying it is not going to get it done. Say what day of the week you're going to work on this 1 thing, set aside the time, get your husband to watch the kids. Just don't plan all the things on that day. You can do it. I can do it. That's what my plan is going to be. And if it's a bigger project, I suggest you break it down. Me looking at bugs. I suggest you break it down over time, like over the entire month. So for me, if I chose to do my storage room upstairs, that could be my project for the whole month, but I just take out maybe 2 boxes at a time, and that day of my specified schedule week, I'd just be working on that 1 or 2 box and then go back to that room for the next week and work on another box or 2. I also made a list, which I suggest you do. Make a list of things that you think you want to deep clean or declutter for the months. That way, when it's time to do it, you're not just thinking about, oh, what do I want to do? Or when you make the schedule for the time that you want to deep clean, choose the activity that you're doing at that same time. So for example, some of my items are the fridge needs to be deep cleaned. There's a cupboard in my kitchen that I really want to organize. Actually, one on the top and one on the bottom. My master closet, which I really don't want to do, but it is one thing that I would like to declutter. There's a box in the storage room at a time, which is what I was telling you guys about. I have notes, that's why I'm looking down. Books in the living room. There are a bunch of books on my console table under the TV that I'm like, do I even? And I want to go through some of them. Water heater closet has some shoes and things in there that I want to look into, and the shoes in the entryway. There's really nothing wrong with that, but like dusting it off, clearing it off, and also changing out the shoes for the season. Right now they're rain boots and little booties and things like that. That it's summertime, honey. Nobody wearing that. There needs to just be sneakers, flats, and sandals over there. So those are some of the things that will keep me busy all month. That I would just, some ideas for y'all who want, you know, there's pantries you can go through, your food stuff, make sure nothing's expired. You can be in your bedroom doing your drawers, your closets. You could probably declutter bathrooms, under the sinks, in the drawers, in the medicine cabinet. Y'all can figure it out, okay? Let me know down below when I finish this list. What are you going to be doing? Are you going to be doing all of it? Will you be doing a few things? And if so, if you're decluttering, what are you decluttering? Because I like all the ideas, okay? Next thing is number 3 is going to be limit your TV and scrolling time. Yeah. That's a me problem. So I know a lot of people don't watch TV. They don't really scroll on the internet. That might not be for you. So that's why I'm saying pick and choose what you want to do. I will find myself like, oh, I'm tired, then I'll sit and watch TV, and I could have got something done. I'm like, if you're going to sit and watch TV, do something productive in the meantime. Fold the laundry. Go through that storage bin. You're not allowed to just sit and mindlessly watch TV. So that's going to be something, and that could be like 1 or 2 days. You're just not going to do it 2 days. You're going to give yourself some days, but not all the days. As far as scrolling goes, unless it's something to do with YouTube or posting something to Instagram, like I will find myself scrolling, watching shorts at night, and lack of sleep, not good for me, and just watching, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram, just rolling, watching dance videos, because I'm obsessed with Afrobeat dancing, Afronita, Abigail, Ronita, all of the things, right? And I need to chill because it's messing with my sleep time, you know? So if that is you, consider limiting that screen time. Excuse me. Fill in the blank. So this is a fun one. This one is one you're going to make of your own choosing. Choose something that you know you need or want to work on in June and just do it. Let me know if you choose to do something that's not on my list. I would love to know what your fill in the blank item is. If it's personal, definitely keep it to yourself. I understand that. So for my fill in the blank, I have 2 things that I want to do. It's either going to be Bible study 2 times a week, and now that I have outside, can you imagine Bible study out here? Like, she's a vibe out here. Yes, Bible study out here with all the trees and the birds. Really, airplanes? Like, how many people gotta go somewhere? I'm just kidding. I hope it did not bother you too much. We're almost done. And so that's number 4, fill in the bank. And also, I have a guest coming. So the guest room project is going to be big on my list as well. I got to get that together. We on countdown mode, y'all. We got basically 18 days before the bestie and her son gets here. So we need to make sure the best bedroom and bathroom is good. Outside that, I'm not really too worried. Excuse me. And then we have, for number 5, try something new this month. Like, try something new. If there's something you've been wanting to do, and it doesn't have to be the new concept in the world, just try something new. Like, for me, like, I wanted to do a solo picnic. I might do that. Like, I wanted to create a, like, what's that thing called? A fort. I was going to do it inside, but now I'm like, maybe I'll make it outside underneath the tent. That might be kind of cute. A fort and a movie night. I actually would like to try a different Zumba class. Like, I've found another studio, but I just haven't gotten up the courage to go give it a try. So those are things for me. Try anything new. Try a cold shower. Like, you're like, oh, I've always wanted to try that, or I don't. Or, you know, or try something that makes you uncomfortable. Try something that puts you out your comfort zone, because that's the only time we're actually going to grow, y'all. So that's one of the other ones. Okay, babe. babes, not last but definitely not least, we have our sixth thing, which is our Juneteenth June saving challenge created by Cashapp Budgets and Vlogs. She invited me on this and a few other ladies. Please make sure they're all selected down below. They're all linked in the description down below. Beyond Me on one, I Desire Wealth, Make Money, Save Money. I'm Cashapp Budgets and Vlogs, Chris Budgets, Snow Garter 307 Budgets, Unique Budgets, Saving My Coin Budgets, and Budgeting with PJ, as well as myself. We'll all be scratching off using these challenges that I'm about to show you. The nice thing is that there is a high challenge and a low budget challenge. Y'all know I'm doing the low budget challenge, baby. Y'all know. But for my big baller shot callers, definitely go ahead and use the high budget. I will show you what they look like in a minute. They will be linked down below as well to get a printable. Cashapp Budgets did go ahead and send me one in the mail, but the way that my mail does not be mailing, I still haven't got it, and the lady sent it like 3 weeks ago. Why? Okay, but it's okay because y'all know I'm a digital baby, so I printed it out at work and used their ink. Yes, I did. Lord forgive me. I printed it out and I am going to show you what it looks like. It's so beautiful, as you can see. Definitely has the Juneteenth colors. So these are the two. They're identical in color but different as far as the numbers go. The higher challenge is for $863. You know, even if you're a big baller shot caller, you may not even be able to save that in a month, but definitely keep using this Juneteenth challenge for as long as it takes you to save that amount of money. That one is not for me, but it is definitely an option. I never realized how many planes go by until I'm trying to record a video. I'll wait. Maybe a lot of people are taking off right now. Take me with you! Anyway, moving on to my challenge. No. Okay, let's carry on. This is the one I'm gonna do. It is only $89, which I don't know if I'll be able to save in the month of June. Anyway, y'all know I have a guest coming. I got things to do, honey. Money to spend, honey. However, there are some very low numbers, and even if I do a couple here or there, I feel like it'll be all right. There's nothing over $10, which I really love. The highest numbers are 10 on here, and there's only 2 of them. The rest are like 2s, 5, 8s. Y'all know the number is between 1 and 10. Okay, so if you're doing a lower budget, even if you can only save $7, you still do something. So definitely check out the ladies down below. Subscribe to them, please, if you have not already subscribed. Check them out. They have great channels, and you know, you could come along with us as we each scratch off a different thing. You could do it at your own pace, whatever you want to do. We're just trying to create some engagement among the channels and get everything going for everyone. Everybody deserves a chance to shine because everybody does their hardest to make wonderful, valuable channels. They're all great in their own ways. They have all different things going on, and I think you should at least check them out and subscribe. And if you do go over there for somebody you did not know that I mentioned, definitely let them know that Tara sent you, or Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, JTWW sent you, so they know I sent you over there if you're not already subscribed to them. And I hope you do download that, whether you're a big baller shot caller or you just out here doing it with what you got, baby, because we're all good out here because everybody matters. Let me know if you're gonna do the challenge with us. I would really love to know. All right, guys, that is the whole June challenge. If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, because y'all know we like to chit and chat about what's going on. What are you going to do for June? You doing any of it, all of it? Are you going to do this challenge? Why these airplanes don't want to make me live like? Why can't I be great? Annoying. Anyway, have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it is faith over fear, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Love you, mean it, boy. Make sure you go outside and enjoy the good weather if you got it today.